Hi, my name's Alex. This is my 74 Kenworth. So compared to my other truck, this one's clean, but we did everything between me, Tim, her, a lot of dealers that helped out, was just organizing everything and having the right displays, pry bar displays all on pull-out walls, the hammer racks everywhere, a huge Milwaukee display. Everything's still in process. Like, these drawers are great, but the knives slide all over the place. So I'm in the middle. I ordered up some magnets. We're gonna screw some magnets in there and make that all set so they don't move anywhere. All these different drawers, some are drill bits, some are knives. Everything's a little bit different depending on what it is. I put one of each Milwaukee piece up top. That way the guys can just hold them, figure out what they want, and then I have the individuals underneath here. As we're going down the truck, I wanted to separate everything so you didn't have to look as hard. Electrical, power probe stuff, all our Cornwell picks, screwdrivers, pry bars, onto lights, mini ductors, air tools, torque wrenches. Everything's just in its own area compared to just being all over the place. Extractors, more hammers, depending on color, size. The Milwaukee ones are on the other side of the truck. Sunglasses and miscellaneous sockets. We have another one of those on the way for standard. This one is all metric stuff right now. Tap and die kits. The biggest thing on this truck was organized and making it more like a showroom. My issue was never not having the stuff on the truck. It was sometimes you couldn't find it or there was too much stuff in the way. I did my best to have everything on there so people didn't have to wait. Underneath all of the shelves, I have extra stock. There's some pry bars down there, some seats, pliers sets, whatever doesn't fit up here, at least it's down there and it's out of the way. Jump packs in the bottom corner. This, for anyone that's building a tool truck, this saves a ton of room. Not only on the ceiling, but these slide out walls work awesome. This one's my ratchet one. Cornwell on one side, Blue Power on the other. Bottom drawer, I have all my discount stuff or anything used, trade in, whatever the guys are looking for. We're getting some labels made and 3D printed onto there. That TV I keep, well, right now, Andre's on there, but we keep videos from the Cornwell YouTube page going. Guys like watching what's new, what's going on. And this section right here is all my specials. So anything that's in the flyer, anything new, or anything I'm just running a deal on, just trying to move. Streamlights and scanner, electronics display. Just having the scanners out there, the guys ask a lot more about what's going on with them, if it's used, demo, what's it do, and go from there. This TV, I've just had music running and everyone loves all the snacks behind you, hats, Red Bull, coffee, and this is it.